Okay, so next I'd like to add some rotation to the handle as the scroll unwinds, because right now it doesn't really look like it's doing that. So what I'm going to do is add a constraint, and you can add a constraint where the transformation, like as it moves, it can rotate. And what I'm going to do is, with the handle selected, add that transformation. I'm going to map it to the spiral. I'm going to extrapolate. I'm going to do this in local space so that as this thing moves or the context changes of what is where, it can still unwind properly. And then this is going to be based on location. Let me think here. Okay, so this is going to be on Y. As these are going to rotate, I need to account for the diameter of things. And just to be sure, let me just do a Control A, and I'm going to apply all transforms just to make sure that these numbers are all set properly. And I'm going to take this 5.73 or 0.573, excuse me, and I'm going to multiply that times pi. I'll just type in 3.14, and then I'm going to map it to, it's going to be X. That's where the rotation is going to be. So let's put this on rotation. I'm going to have this on X, but the source is going to be Y. And then I'm going to put in a value of 360 degrees. And that got messed up. So let me just look at this from a side view. Let me grab and replace this. Let's look at it from a top view and make sure. Okay, so that looks appropriate. And then let's select the spiral and grab it on Y, and this is not quite working. And my origin on the handle is not right. So let's just change that. So I'm going to set origin to geometry. Let's try placing these again. And I'm going to grab that spiral on Y, and it looks like we're back to moving appropriately. Hard to tell if the rotation is happening. So let's put the handle back on flat shading and go to our spiral and grab on Y. Yes, and it appears to be rotating. However, I think it's backwards. So let's look one more time, and let's put this 360 to a negative 360, and let's see if that works better. So grab on Y. Yes. Great. Okay, and that will do for the moment.